Hello guys, today I will unboxing the motherboard from Asrock B560M PRO4/AC. This motherboard got polychrome sinks. Okay, so let's check out the back of the motherboard. The motherboard comes with M.2 SSD, and they support also PCIe 4.0, and the motherboard got the Wi-Fi, I guess, also with Bluetooth. The full coverage M.2 heatsink, got heatsink here, nice for budget level motherboard. They also got front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C. Nice. If your casing got the port, then can be using here lah. Okay. I think the motherboard also come with RGB here, RGB lightning here, the small one. This is the I/O overview. Okay, and then this is the specification of the motherboard. The motherboard will support 10 Gen and 11 Gen Intel processor, and then they got 4 DIMM slot, memory slot, DDR4 up to 4800 MHz. Quite good. Okay, and then also 7.1 channel audio, and then also come with Wi-Fi, and yeah, got Bluetooth 5.1 module. Nice. Okay, nice. So let's check out what inside the motherboard, what this Asrock offer. First of all, yes, of course, the manual. This one is the screw for M.2. Then also the CD driver, and got the SATA cable. I think got two SATA cable connector. Yeah, this is the antenna for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So, and then another last one is the I/O shield for the motherboard to put into your casing. Okay, so let's check out how the motherboard looks. Okay, we put aside first for the box. Look nice. Look nice. I think the motherboard is clean and simple, with the white gray accent for the design. This one is the RAM slot. This one is the M.2 Wi-Fi adapter, the PCIe card. Nice. Pro series. This is the heatsink. Let's see the I/O. Got USB, HDMI, Wi-Fi, USB 3, and the normal audio connector. Nice. The motherboard also come with this this cover to protect the motherboard also itself. Okay, so that's all for the unboxing. We will continue to the installation to the computer, the PC later. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you next.